20 hours in an old van up the East Coast through the cold wind. Drove 20 hours by the ocean up the East Coast. What a road.